This is Red Rambo. This is Red Rambo. Over.
Red Rambo, this is Sharice from across the street, and I hear you loud and clearly. Over.
I can hear you loud and clearly. Welcome to Expedition Connection.
Oh, yeah.
Around in the wilderness, 'cause we're adventurers. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Adventure time.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Expedition Connection. I'm Trevor. Today we are going to be installing the Midland Micro Mobile 2A radio. I cannot wait. I've been wanting to have some communication set up in my rig. It's going to be great when I'm out on the trails with a whole bunch of other overlanders so I can communicate with them, and just to have it when me and Sharice are out on the trail and she's either taking over the wheel and I'm shooting some content, and we'll be able to communicate back and forth. But I can't wait. It's going to be a fairly quick install. So here we go. So I will be mounting this to my center console. So all you need is a power drill, and it comes with the 3 screws, so you're not doing too much construction. And there you go. All right, guys, so we hit a snag. I need to bring my seat all the way up, but it hits it. So we're gonna have to unscrew this and move it. So I had to make a few adjustments. It wasn't gonna work on that side because I do push my seats forward when we are camping. So I'm going to put this right here under the steering wheel, and it's out of the way of everything, and I can push the seats all the way forward and it doesn't touch this. So let's give it a try again. And there we go. Once I had the right spot, it was super easy to hide all the wiring. Just lift the plastic up and drape it all the way to the armrest, and then you can just plug it right into the cigarette lighter. Now the next step is figuring out where I want to mount this. I think I'm going to go for about right here. It's not in the way of anything, and it's just perfect, so I can just grab it without having to look where it is or reach for it. It'll just be right there in front of me. And it's a preference. You know, some people will have it in a different location, but I think I like this spot right here. So now the next step is to mount the antenna. It's got a magnet on it, but I have to go through the engine, through the firewall, into the cab. So I'm thinking about mounting it right there. Excuse the dirtiness, we had a bad rain. But yeah, right here, and draping it underneath here. Loosen up the bolts so that the cord is snug and out the way. Just like that. The antenna. Got everything perfectly tight and neat. I couldn't record the other part because I wouldn't be able to get a good enough angle, but I got it going through there. Got everything set up. And ready to go. This was probably one of the easiest installs I've done on my Jeep, and I absolutely love it. I encourage everyone to get communications in their rig, because you never know when you're going to need it. When you're out on the trail and you've got a couple people there, your cell phone's not going to work, so this is the best way to communicate with someone. Plus, you can check the weather. We have everything installed. Ran into a little snag, but got it fixed, got it worked out, and I definitely like this position a lot better. A lot more convenient, and everything fits perfectly. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you out on the trails.